Oh, hi, and Tautalatala. Welcome back to my Tautalatala show. Guess what? We've got an amazing panel with us here today. I just want to introduce them. Probably the only guy here that can lift me up. You see him on TV now doing powerlifting. Please give it up for first to Musa. Yeah. And we've got a very young, talented lady you probably see on TV, on Adam and Eve, and maybe even on Play. Please give it up for Lou Tyson. Wow. And we've got this right here, one of New Zealand's funny children, performing all over Australia and here in New Zealand. Give it up for Timmy Jackson. Yeah. And now, the real reason why you're here today, to listen to your question while my panel trying to help you with your situation. Let's go to our video message.
Okay, Aunty Tala, I've got lots of Palangi friends that really want to get a Polynesian Tatau, and is this legit? Is it okay for them to take that, to do that?
Wow, that's a really good question, hey? Be interesting to hear your thoughts about this thing, whether it's legit. Not just Palangi, just anyone who's not Polynesian get a Polynesian Tatau. What about you, Lou? You have any tattoos yourself?
Yes, I do have a few. I'm a little bit sitting on the fence. I can argue both sides. Me and my partner went over to Samoa and we were late for our flight, and so we went and got tattoos done. With me, when I get my tattoos, I like to think, okay, what's the whakapapa behind this tattoo? Why am I getting it? So I was like, I've put my feet on the whenua of Samoa, so that's why I'm getting this on my foot. You know, my partner got a golema and he was like, you know, a lot of his band are Samoan and they're like our whānau, so that's why he got that.
That's very good, because you're pretty much saying it's important that it means something to you.
Yeah, I think
just,
it means something to you.
Oh, that looks cool, can you just give it to me?
Yeah.
I remember I was going to the beach during summer. A lot of people thought I got the male, you know, so like Mickey, but it was stretch marks, and I said, no, it's, So sometimes you can mistake it for that. Yeah, what about you, Jimmy? What are your thoughts about this thing?
I'm pretty much the same. Like, especially if you're going to get a Polynesian tattoo, like a big, like tamoko or something, you have to know the meaning and everything behind it, you know. Like, it's kind of disrespectful, you know, because if someone from that iwi or something asked you, oh, true that, you're from the same iwi as me, do you know what it means? And they're like, no, I don't.
Feel a bit silly.
Yeah, you're going to look like a clown.
And I think it applies to everyone, even Samoans got tattoos, they don't even know what it is mean, you know. It's just they think because you're Samoan, they can get a Samoan tattoo. But you say, what's it mean? They're like, it means it was very painful, you know. So, you know, it's a give and take, you know, you're not too sure about this thing. Probably a question for you first, too. If you were sitting at the lights in, you saw Palangi crossing the road, but he had the full pair, you know, so like meaty. What would you think about that?
I'd start asking questions in my, you know, not necessarily to him, but like in my head of like, what's the story behind it? Like, how is it that you have got that? And if it was because he was in Samoa, grew up and, you know, observed the customs and the full thing, and it was like, and then I'll be like, man, that's mad respect. But if it was, oh, my mate got a new tattoo machine, and so we were just mucking around down in the garage and we decided to do this, then I would be like, meh, on it. So
I guess a question that, you know, for either you, Lou, or Jimmy, you could answer is, don't you think it's promoting our cultures and taking them abroad? You know, if someone from Sweden came and got it and then went back to Ireland.
I reckon if they understand what it means, then yeah, that's wicked. Awesome.
If they're overseas, like if they go to Norway or like Egypt, and then like an Egyptian saw this dude with a mean Māori tattoo, and he was like, whoa, like where's that from? Where are you from? And he's like, oh, I don't know. Then
I've got an idea. Go and get a fake tattoo before you get a real one, and walk down the street and see what sort of looks you get. If you don't get pulled up on it, go get your tattoo.
No,
you get pulled up on it.
You can't judge the book by its cover. You have to get to know them first.
Well, I guess, you know, first, what's one advice you would like to give Rani about her Palangi friend wanting to get a tatau?
Sure, so for your Palangi friends, I think the first question you need to ask them is why? Why do they want it? And then the second question you want to ask them is, have they not taken enough of our stuff? Have they not taken enough of our culture? And then see if they still want it.
Wow, that's a good one. You heard it from our panel. They're pretty much saying what they said. And all I want to say to you, Rani, is, you know, that sounded really hard to understand because of your accent. But anyway, just don't stress over it. You know, talk to your Palangi friends. The only thing is that they understand why they are getting it. You know, the essence of our Pacific culture. Because, you know, we've got Palangi people who have high chief in our villages, and I don't even know what they're doing with it. If you think it's going to look good on your friend's body, go for it. But when they get it a traditional way. That's with a nail and hammer. Have a good night. Hope to see you next week. Bye.